Hey guys, are you ready to practice step 3? So to do step 3, you're going to have to learn a number of stories. And one of the first stories is about hanging out at the shopping mall with you and your friend. So let's talk about it. First, you have to know who you are when we're looking at the cube. And for step 3, you are going to be a corner piece that has white on it. This is an example. It's in the corner, it has white. And the other two colors in this example are green and orange. Now if we take a look at the cube and rotate it around, there's also another piece here. This one is blue and orange and white, and it's also on top. So there happens to be two corners that are in this configuration or situation, and you can pick either one. So we're just going to pick this one for now. Alright, now what you're doing is you're looking for your friend, and your friend will be wearing the same colors but not white. So your friend will only be wearing two colors. In this example, your friend would be wearing orange and green because you and your friend are matching. So you're wearing white, orange, green, but your friend will only be wearing orange, green. Your friend will be on the top floor or the second floor. Let's see where your friend is. Oh look, orange, green. But what did I just say? Your friend can only be wearing two colors, and in this example, your friend is wearing orange, green, and yellow. So that's not good. Now let's rotate the cube and look for your friend who's wearing only two colors. I found a piece. It happened to be in the second row. Now, if this piece was already in the first row, then you're done with part of the story. You and your friend would already be at the top of the shopping mall on the third floor. So this example in this video is about what happens if your friend is on the second floor and you are on the third floor. All right, your friend is on the second floor. I forgot where you were. Let's see, green and orange. Let's go back around, green, orange, and white, all the way over here. So you're all the way on this side, and your friend is on this side, and that's okay. The most important thing here is to notice that you guys are on different floors. Now, we remember from earlier videos that to get from the second floor to the third floor, you need to take the elevator. So let's go ahead and do that. The elevator can be on the right or the left. And in this case, your friend is already on this side, on the right elevator. So you would tell your friend, hey, come on upstairs, take the elevator. And to do that, all your friend has to do is come up. But you know that an elevator that goes up, it also comes back down. So we close the elevator and bring it back down. But your friend is still on the second floor. And if your friend goes up the elevator and comes back down, then your friend is still on the second floor. What would you tell your friend? You tell your friend, don't be silly. Once you get up to the third floor, get off the elevator, and then you can close the elevator and bring it down. So we're going to do that. You're going to move your friend up on the elevator. Your friend is right there. You tell your friend, get off the elevator. So your friend, you just move the top row like this. Your friend is not anywhere right here anymore because your friend is right there. And then you would send the elevator back down. The problem is your friend got off the elevator, but did you notice that now, because we spun this, let me undo that. Your friend was here, you told your friend to get off the elevator, and where are you? You're right there, and when you told your friend to get off the elevator, you accidentally got in the elevator. That's crazy. And you are one of these three pieces because you are there right now. So you can't tell your friend to get off the elevator and then you get on the elevator because the elevator is about to go down and then you're going to go to the second floor and your friend is on the third floor. So basically you switched floors. We don't want that. So let's go back and take a look at this. Okay, and I'm going to just reset this up exactly where we were. So you're here, three colors, white, orange, green. Your friend is right there. You're going to tell your friend to go up the elevator, and you're going to tell your friend to get off the elevator. Now you can either get off the elevator this way, or you could get off the elevator this way. So you can rotate it either which way, and it doesn't matter. And the most important thing is to make sure that none of you are on the elevator. So once again, you're going up the elevator, and in this case, I don't want your friend or you to be over here because this is where the elevator is going to go down. So how do we get both of you out of this area? I'm going to move this. And now where are you? You're right there. See the three colors? Your friend is right there, which means none of you are right here. So since none of you are in the elevator, you can send the elevator back down by kind of tapping this white elevator button. So we just go right back down, close the elevator, and that's it. So that's a long story, and we're using this story only when we are doing step 3 and your friend and you are not already on the top floor. Your friend is on the 2nd floor. You're on the 3rd floor. You tell your friend to come on up, get off the elevator, stay off the elevator, but then you make sure you don't accidentally get on the elevator. Neither of you get on the elevator when your friend is getting off, and then you send the elevator back down. That's it. So once you and your friend are on the top floor of the shopping mall, then we can go on to our next story.